Good morning, my dear children. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today is Wednesday and we are going to have a GA class. Okay? What are we going to learn today? In our general awareness class, today we will be learning about day and night. Okay? You all come to school, get up in the morning and spend the day with us, isn't it? In the school, and when you go home, you spend your time with your family and your friends, and by the time it's night, you go off to sleep, and the following day, again you come, fresh day, you begin your fresh day with a new day with your friends and your teachers, isn't it? So we have things to do for the day and things or activities which we do at night, isn't it, children? So what are we going to learn today? Things that you see in the daytime and things which you see during the night. Okay, children? So today we are going to learn about things that you see during the day and things that you see during the night. Okay? Day and night. Okay? So here we have page number 38 and 39. Can you see, children? Okay? Here, this is your chapter which we are going to do day and night. Now, day picture and night picture. Day always gives you a thought about something very bright. Okay? Sunny day, clear day, and night is dark, isn't it? Night, अंधकार हो जाए, सब जगह अंधेरा, हाँ? और daytime, उजाला, एकदम bright. You can hear the birds singing, you can see the bright sun, yes, and you can even see the flowers, the trees, the garden, and if it's a lucky day, we also see a rainbow. But can you see a rainbow at night? Is it visible at night? No, it is very dark. What do you see at night? We see the stars twinkling in the sky. We see the moon, yes, and even the owls. Owls are awake at night. It is a nocturnal bird. Okay? So, they are awake at night. The birds or the animals, few animals, they don't sleep at night. We all sleep at night? Yes, we all sleep. But there are few animals or birds which do not sleep at night. They are awake. वो लोग सारी रात जागे रहते हैं. हाँ? कुछ animals ऐसे होते हैं, birds, जो रात भर जागते हैं. वो लोग सोते नहीं हैं. जैसे owl, okay? Owl, O-W-L, owl, you have learned in the bird's name also. So, there are few things which you see in the day and things which you see at night. So, we are going to learn about day and night. Okay, children? So, in your GA notebook, you are going to write down the date, that is 16-12-20, and the topic for today, day, A and D, and NIGHT, night. Okay? So, what are we going to do today? Today we are going to learn about day and night, things which you see and the activities which we do during the day and at night. So, day and night, you are going to make two columns, okay? For day and night. Under day, what are you going to write? The things you see during the day. Okay, so you will write number 1, sun. Okay, you see the sun. You see the birds. You see the clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. We have learnt all these spellings. S-U-N, sun. B-I-R-D-S, birds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. And you also see at times a rainbow. Okay, children? R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow. Rainbow. And under night, you are going to write down star. S-T-A-R, star. M-O-O-N, moon. Things which you see at night. O-W-L, owl. Okay, O-W-L, owl. And we also sometimes see clouds at night. Okay, when it is about to rain. So these are the things which we see during the day and the things which we see at night. Okay, day things are bright and clear, but at night it is dark. दिन में एकदम सब साफ उजाला होता है, but at night अंधेरा हो जाता है, एकदम अंधकार. ठीक है? So these are the few things which you need to remember for day and night. Now children, tell me, when do you play? Yes, you play, generally you play during the daytime or during the evening or okay, but not at night, isn't it? And then when do you sleep? We sleep at night. When do you study? You go to school? Of course, during the day. And when do you take bath? During the day. So here is an activity for you all where you are going to paste stickers. Okay, you have smiley stickers in your sticker pages. So page number 4040, you are going to paste stickers for the activities that you do during the day. Okay, you have to paste smileys. Where will you paste smiley? You will paste a smiley over here. During the day you can play football. During the day you study and you even take a bath. But at night we sleep. So you will not paste a sticker over here. Okay, this is an activity which we often do at night. So here's a moon and stars. So it is night activity. So you're not going to do paste a sticker over here. Next here you are going to paste silver paper to make a star. Okay children, you can use silver foil if you have at home, or you will find a silver paper even in your craft book. There is a silver paper, you can use that also. Okay, or else you can use a foil paper. Okay, next. Again, here is activity which you do at night or the things you see at night. Do you see rainbow at night? No. Do you see stars at night? Yes. So you are going to paste a sticker over here. Do you see sun at night? No. The sun is not there, isn't it? We see the sun in the morning. So, and the moon and the star, moons at night. So you are going to paste a sticker over here. So these are the things which you see at night. At night. Okay. Next we have over here. This is all about day and night. During the day you have to paste sun stickers for the things you see in the sky during the day. Okay. Here also you have sun stickers in your sticker pages book. Okay. Sticker leaflets. So for you have sun stickers. So you are going to paste stickers which you find things in the morning. Okay. During the daytime you find birds. But in the evening you will not find them. They all go to their houses, back to the nest and go off to sleep with the young ones. Okay. So the things which you see during the day, that is the sun and the birds, you are going to paste sun stickers over here. Okay. So this is a very fun filled activity. You will enjoy this activity children. Okay. And here we have the activity which you do during the day. My day. Okay. Number the activities in the order of happening from morning to night. One has been done for you. Okay. Now number 1, you get up in the morning and you take bath. Yes. So you are going to sequence it in the correct order. What do you do next? After taking bath, what do you do children? Yes. You take your breakfast. You take your breakfast and then you go to school. 1, 2, 3. After that, what do you do? Number 3, either you play or you study. Any activity which you do first, you will number it either 4 or 5, and then the last one, number 6, will be your sleeping activity. Okay. So these are the things, your own day-to-day activity which you are going to number them correctly. Okay children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the correct order. And here you have to do page number after 52, 53. You are going to circle the odd one in each group. Okay, here are some stars. Here is a girl swinging. And here, what is it? A boy is sleeping. And here, can you see an owl? So, what are the things over here? All the things which you see over here, the stars, when do you see? During the daytime or night? At night? Of course, at night. So, this is at night. Owl can be seen at night. You sleep at night. Do you swing at night? No, you don't play on a swing at night. So, this is the odd one out. जो अलग है. Odd means जो group में अलग है. Okay? So, you have to circle this. Next, we have a rainbow, a boy going to school, a sun and an owl. Now, these are the things you see during the day. Rainbow also. Can you see a rainbow at night? No, we cannot. And do you go to school at night? No. So, these are the activities or things which you do or see in the morning but not at night. So, here owl is the odd one in the group. Okay, children? So, this is for understanding better these simple activities. Last page number 5454. This is the revision exercise of helpers and their tools. You are going to match the helpers with their tools. We have done helpers, isn't it? We have learned about doctors, teachers, and you have even dressed up as a gardener, as a fruit seller. Yes. So, this is an exercise related to the helpers. This is a revision exercise. So, a doctor, what does a doctor need? He needs a stethoscope. What does a teacher need? A teacher needs books and notebooks. What does a gardener need? A watering can. What does a tailor need? A tailor needs a sewing machine. Okay? This is a sewing machine and these are their tools. With the help of these tools, they do their work. Okay, children? So, this is all about your GA lesson. I hope it is clear. I will repeat the page numbers which you all are supposed to do. Okay, I repeat. So, we begin with page number 38, 39, 40, 41. Next, we have 44. After 44, we have 50, 52, 53 and 54. So, these are the pages which you are going to do for your GA class today. That's all for today. Take good care of yourself and I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.